useful at all.
Yeah, it's actually what you need. In case you're gonna cut yourself with socks. And shoes can make you slip.
So socks are good?
Yeah, I reckon.
What? This kid's just bouncing off like flies.
Shimon, come on, man. Get up and go.
My stomach hurts.
Shimon.
You have to flex this.
Shimon.
You don't have a choice, mate.
Oh, what? That kid is good.
I couldn't ever do a trick. Yeah, you could if you didn't have time.
Okay, you can do it off the thing. You can do it off the diving board, easy.
Yeah, but it's so scary here.
You gonna flex up?
I have the biggest fear of belly flopping and dying. It's alright, just casual death.
Josh, you gonna go?
Fuck no. Right, Jimmy, I'm going again and you're going again. Let's go. When?